There's still quite a bit I want to do to this engine, which is doing a valve adjustment. I need to put all the new injectors in this engine provided by FridayParts. That is to do a valve adjustment, replace the injectors that were supplied by FridayParts. Thank you. Here we go. All right, this is gonna be really hard to see. I'm gonna see if I can get a light on it. See that spray pattern? That right there. I think these injectors are just really wore out. So here is the next step of what I'm trying to do, which is making sure this injector pump is properly timed and set correctly. Now, I took the injector pump off, and the marks that need to be lined up on the engine are lined up. So before we put the injectors in, supplied by FridayParts, we're going to do a valve adjustment on this thing and make sure all that's in spec where we have it apart. So get out the old fueler gauge, and then I'll just time lapse you through this. It is time to do what we've been waiting for. We are going to install the new injectors from FridayParts.